Igbo Community Women Forum, in collaboration with Niger State Contributory Health Agency, NICARE, has advised women, especially intertribal women, to prioritize their personal hygiene and mental health. This advice was conveyed during a one-day seminar and awareness program on hygiene, cancer, and mental health held at the Haskell Luxury Hotel, Mina. Our correspondent Ahmed Yusuf completes the report.
Addressing the women, the President, Igbo Community Women Forum in Niger State, Ambassador Ifeoma Okeke, said gathering has become imperative to give back to society through awareness creation on women personal hygiene, as well as enrolling them into health insurance scheme of the present administration of Governor Muhammad Umar Bagu of Niger State. He charged women at all levels to key into what will benefit their well-being and their family.
Yes, the motive is that I am a political appointee, and I thought it's wise to key to the former governor Umar Bago his health agenda that new Niger is possible by enrolling some women into health insurance, because we say health is wealth. So the motive is to key into the former governor's agenda on health care in Niger State, quality health care for Niger State. So that is the intertribal women and the Igbo women. My message is for them to keep clean. To keep what? Clean, because cleanliness is next to holiness. If you're clean, you'll be away from disease. If you are clean, you'll be away from sickness. So cleanliness is the watchword there. Every woman that participated, as you go home, you begin to make your house clean.
Raising the ceremony, the State Commissioner, Ministry of Women Affairs and Social Development, Hajia Adiza Idris Kuta, who described women as the mother of all nations, maintained that no society will develop without women inclusion. He said her door will remain open in order to support women in all their dealings, stressing that the government of Governor Muhammad Umar Bagu is for women.
I had to come here because I love to see great women doing great things. Let me start by commending the Igbo Women Community for this great initiative and having this program. Well done and congratulations. Women are great. And not that we're fighting the men or we're struggling for space, but that is how God made us. We're powerful beings. Yes. Women can multitask. Yes. She can do 10 things at the same time.
In their separate remarks at the occasion, the representative of Commissioner of Water Resources, Umar Farouk Haudi, and that of Commissioner of Health, among others, they all commended the organizer of the seminar, noting that an occasion of this kind would bring women under one umbrella to foster unity and chart a way forward.
Now, we've heard so many things about hygiene, about cancer, mental health. I think what I want them to take home is to practice what they've heard. It's not enough to hear anything. If you hear about hygiene, you should get home and practice it at home. And that is only when it will be effective or impactful. So you hear about emotional intelligence. Give yourself calm in your spirit so that you are not always aggressive to people, no matter what is happening around you. Yeah, and when it comes to cancer, if you see any of such signs we are told presenting, you are supposed to go to the appropriate hospital where you'll be examined. And early detection will make people to survive.
Okay, we're here because we are collaborating with the Igbo Women Community, and we are here to enroll women into the Niger State Health Insurance Scheme, and that is what is going to cover for their health needs throughout the year, meaning that whenever they go to health facility to seek health care, they will not pay out of pocket because they have been enrolled into the health insurance scheme. And we are reaching out to every member of the community or every resident of Niger State to key into the health insurance scheme. That will guarantee health care for them without financial burden.
Also speaking, the chief host and former special advisor to the governor on intertribal affairs, Oba George Dickey, said the awareness creation program is to complement government initiative on its contributory health scheme aimed at assisting Nigerites while seeking for medical assistance. He urged women, irrespective of their tribal differences, to support Governor Muhammad Umar Bagu to enable him actualize his set goal in the state.
No, we keep on creating environment for people to interact, for people not to get so lethargic about the functions of government, social interaction and activities. If you give people always on their toes, doing one form of activity or the other, is good for governance, it's good for good social development. So from time to time, this is about the 10th seminar my office have had. In the duration of we do that monthly, every other month. We call people together, talk to them. Like today, we spoke especially on cancer, healthcare, and hygiene, which is at the core of the family for the growth and sustenance of a good environment, good health, and good. If you have good health, there will be good development, socially, materially, and economically. So that is what we have tried to do today. I want to support the government of Niger State for their endeavors for the growth, sustenance of the society. When you support the government will also look back and be encouraged, to take some steps towards. You heard what we said about the health insurance. 16,100 for health in a year. That is fantastic. So I have given 25 people. I'll pay for 25 persons from my own resources so that I will complement what they said, government. I appreciate what they're doing. So the less privileged members of the society, even if they are more than 25, I'll pay for them so that they will benefit from this fantastic program of the Niger State government.
During the ceremony, various guest speakers, including health presenter, took turn to address women on their personal hygiene and mental health. The event climaxed with a flag off of pad and unveiling enrollment by Nike, as well as interlude and dance. Ahmad Yusuf reporting for NSTV News.